It's Monday, the 5th of February. What a beautiful day. Still chilly, and that's good for a yarn shop who needs to knit sweaters and stay cozy. It's awesome. All good. I want to quickly talk about upcoming classes, and they're starting as in tomorrow. So I just want to run through it. We are very tardy in getting out a class list, so I wanted to tell you what's coming up so you can put it on your calendar, call us, and get signed up. Tomorrow, the 6th, Amish rug class. It's the Amish knotting rug class. Gladys is going to be teaching that from 1 to 3. There are 3 spaces left in that class. So tomorrow, Amish rug from 1 to 3. All right? Then on Wednesday, learn to knit 1 from 10 to 12. So if you've been dying to learn to knit, we've got a class for you from 10 to 12 on Wednesday. Then on Saturday, the hat class. It's a 2-week class. So Saturday the 10th from 10 to 12, hat in the round. If you need to learn how to knit in the round, this is the class for you. And let me just tell you, you want to learn how to knit in the round. The second week will be the following Saturday on the 17th. So that's the hat in the round, starting Saturday the 10th. Then on Sunday is another one of Crissy's famous gnome needle felting classes. So come and be prepared to stab yourself and have a wonderful time and make an adorable gnome. She's probably made 50 by now, but anyway, she's looking forward to having you. So Sunday from 1 to 3, the needle felted gnome. Bring a friend, all right? Then on Monday, a learn to crochet 1, right? 10:30 to 12:30, learn to crochet 1. If you've been dying to learn to crochet, that's the day for you, next Monday. Then on Wednesday, next Wednesday, Valentine's Day, also Ash Wednesday, it's a busy day, the mistakes class. So that's Allison teaching you how to find your mistakes, how to determine what caused them, and how to fix them, right? Everybody needs a mistakes class. That is on Wednesday the 14th from 10 to 12. And last but not least, on Saturday, the 17th, another Learn to Crochet 1 class from 12 to 2. So I realize that's a lot that I just shoved it down your throat or your ears. But call us and know that these classes are on the calendar. We will get a class schedule out tomorrow so you can be sure and see it and register. All right, you can always call us, 910-692-3528. I think that's all I have. We've got some new yarns coming in, some fun baby blanket yarns, Cumulus, that everybody loves. It's a cotton, super soft. We've gotten it in rainbow colors. I mean, it's called rainbow, but it's a gradient of different colors within it. We can make a baby blanket out of one colorway. The pattern says 5, but I think it would be 4 because with 5 balls, it makes a 40 by 40 blanket, which is really almost too big. So I think with 4, when it's over and you're done, it'll be anywhere between 32 and 36 inches. So I think that would be the best bet. So 4 Cumulus will make that get done. 4 of the Cumulus Rainbow. So we'll be getting that out. We've gotten a restock on some yarns. So stuff's rolling in. You got to think about what you might want to be doing and get creative. We'll help you find a pattern. It's all good. All right, I think that's all I have for today. Look at those beautiful sunflowers, all crocheted and gorgeous. Thank you, Gladys. And the lupine that goes with it, or whatever if they were the delphinium, whatever they are, purple. So pretty. All right, that's all there is for tonight. I'll see you tomorrow.